A sinking brake pedal, where the pedal gradually or suddenly goes to the floor when pressed, can be a sign of a serious brake system issue. Common reasons include 1. Brake fluid leak. A leak in the brake lines, hoses, calipers, or wheel cylinders allows fluid to escape, reducing hydraulic pressure. As brake fluid is essential for creating hydraulic pressure, a low fluid level can result in a sinking brake pedal. 2. Air in the brake lines. Air can enter the brake lines due to a brake fluid leak, improper brake fluid replacement, or when the brake system is open. Air gets compressed when the brake pedal is pressed, which can make the pedal feel soft or sink. 3. Master cylinder failure. When the internal seals within the master cylinder are worn or damaged, fluid bypass and the pedal sinks more than usual. The same could happen if the retainer spring inside the master cylinder breaks or gets pressed out permanently. 4th, ABS hydraulic unit malfunction. Problems with the proportioning valve or ABS system can affect brake pressure balance, leading to erratic brake pedal behavior, including sinking. 5. Worn or faulty brake components. Any malfunction with brake calipers, slave cylinders, self-adjusters and drum brakes, etc., can cause similar brake pedal sinking problems. 6. Contaminated brake fluid. When the brake fluid is not changed for a long time, moisture or other contaminants get trapped in the fluid when it heats up, creating air or vapor pockets in the fluid. This can cause the pedal to sink more than usual. Now, if you happens to come across any of these symptoms, here's what you can do. Check for visible leaks. Inspect the brake lines, calipers, and wheel cylinders. Inspect the master cylinder. Look for fluid leaks around the master cylinder or its reservoir. Test for air in the system. Bleed the brakes to remove trapped air. Consult a mechanic. If you're unable to locate or fix the issue, seek professional help immediately. Driving with a sinking brake pedal is extremely dangerous and should be addressed as soon as possible.